What's up, boys? Welcome back to another episode of the KameGarage. In today's video, we're working on both cars, the G35 and the BMW E36. On the G35, we're just gonna do a quick oil change, and then we got some new parts, mods, some new installs for the BMW Hot Rod Red E36. So let's go ahead and start that oil change. Alright, boys, we finished the oil change on the G35. We got the E36 in the garage now. Let me show you what we got for the E36. We got a package right here, boys, and this is from Scorpion E Carbon right here. Let me show you what it is. Let's unbox this. They're super rare. Honestly, I haven't seen anybody run these except for maybe one person I found on YouTube, and I was doing my research trying to find a retailer, a company, someone that makes them, and I believe I found someone in the comments that said that Scorpion E Carbon makes them. So we got them right here. Let me show you. Let me show you guys what we have cooking over here. Look at these bad boys. They're carbon fiber grill kidneys for the E36. These bad boys are going to look crazy good. Look at the weave right there. Here's a little before and after. It's gonna look crazy different. So here's a look of our E36 currently. As you guys see, we have the regular OEM chrome kidney grills, but these carbon fiber grills are gonna make it look completely different. It's kind of gonna match up with our M badge that we have over here, this matte black M badge that we installed the other day. All you gotta really do is remove 4 Phillips screws that hold it in place and a couple of clips, one on each side, and they're just plastic clips. And this can come off. Make sure you detach it from the air box and you have access to the kidney grills. Here's a little comparison of both grills. We got the carbon fiber ones, we got the OEM chrome ones, and the carbon fiber ones just look so nice, great quality, everything looks to be exactly the same. So let's go ahead and install them right there. And that's it, boys. Pretty much super easy installed. Here's the carbon fiber grills. They're looking really good. Let's go ahead and take out the car outside so we can see it on the sun. But the fitment overall, great. Everything went in place, it clipped, everything's snug, nothing's coming out. It's perfect. So now we just gotta go ahead and put the cover back on so we can have a final look at the E36. But there you guys have it. That was all for today's video. You guys saw the E36 is looking amazing. It's looking mean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also comment what other mods we should do to the E36. Car is definitely looking nice. And also don't forget to subscribe so that way you don't miss any episodes of the KameGarage. And make sure to stay tuned to find out what happens to the E36 and the G35 on the next episode of the KameGarage. Peace.